Hey, it's Tom Gallagher and another edition of The Story Behind the Car. I'm with Pat. And Pat, you said this is a 1984 AMC Eagle?
Correct.
And how long have you had it?
A couple of years.
Yes. And can you tell me about, I grew up and I'm aware of the AMC. They were four-wheel drive before
The
four-wheel drive was popular. And
Eagle.
unfortunately, I think they were out in front and got all the arrows in the back and never got the credit for having four-wheel drive vehicles. Can you tell us a little bit about AMC?
AMC actually was started from Rambler, which started from Nash. Nash, Hudson, and okay, my memory's gone. I can't remember it now.
Yeah, I remember Nash and then
Nash
Rambler and then
right,
AMC.
Right. They were actually the American Motors Corporation was started in 1970.
Yes.
But that was from the merger. Lasted until 1988, I believe, when Chrysler bought them and killed them. The Eagle was the first American-built crossover, I guess you call them, four-wheel drive car. This one is a 258 six-cylinder with the torque command, I believe AMC called it. It's a Chrysler Torque Flight rebranded.
Does this have a six-cylinder?
Yes.
Yes. They were so ahead of their time, unfortunately. I think they were too far ahead, and they never really took off, did they?
No, they've got a little following nowadays, but back then, just another car.
Yeah, I know there's they've become popular, and the Pacer was another design that was way ahead of its time.
Yeah, they still get a lot of comments, let's say.
These bring pretty good money nowadays, don't they?
Some of them you can find a nice one. It's going to cost you a couple dollars.
Yes. Well, thank you so much, Pat. A 1984 American Eagle four-wheel drive, six-cylinder. Really appreciate you letting us shoot in it, Pat.
No problem.
And I see you're part of the Gateway AMC Club.
Correct.
Yes. Well, thank you again, and appreciate you telling us the story behind the car.
No problem. I'm glad you all enjoy it.
Yes.